Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add text to CapCut. So let's get started. I've already drag and drop my clip into my timeline, and let's say I want to add some text to describe the scene. So the first step would be to click on the text panel you can find at the top left of your screen, and here you can add some default text. So once you've added your text to your timeline, you can adjust some settings here at the right-hand side within the inspector panel. Here you can change what it says and some things like the font style, the font size, as well as some effects. So I'm going to change this text to race cars. Very creative. So we're going to increase the font size, going to make it italic and bold. And maybe I'll also change the font to something. This one. There we go. Looks good. Quickly change the case. And like I said before, you can also add some effects here at the preset style, as well as change some things with its, what do you call these? Change some things for its effects. So you can also add a stroke, a background, a glow, and a shadow. I want to add a stroke, just sort of like the outline. I'll make this a shade of blue. There we go. Also add, you can also drag it around to quickly move it. Can also add some shadows, but something not very extreme, not very intense. There we go. And once you like the look of your text, you can also save it as a preset for future use, so you don't have to mess with these settings all over again. Go do that, and now should show up here within my presets. So that's how to add text to your videos in CapCut. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.